So good evening, sir. Here's my assignment number 7. So try to check if my system is usable. Let's make it run. And here, as you can see, if you want, this system is talks about or related to a library management. So first, you must add a book, and then the console of adding is here. So create or select or input the information needed, like the title, the author, the year published. It depends on you, and the quantity you want. So don't forget to click. So as you can see, your book is already successfully added. So to check if your book or um, system is working, okay, let's check with your access. So as you can see, heto, lumitaw naman siya. Okay, sinilect natin na mga information. So let's check back to the Eclipse or the ano. So ayan. So if you refresh, ayan, makikita nyo yung laman. So if you want to delete the book, okay, you must to select the ID and then delete. And then you're successfully deleted. And then syempre pag tinanggal mo dito, mawawala din yan later on. So that's all, sir. Thank you.